This is Eric Strom with Covering Data Consulting, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about SQL Server Data Tools. So, there's a few different products out there that help you deploy databases and, let's say code to a project rather than code to a database specifically. And SSDT is my preferred tool. However, it's far from perfect. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about, some of the things that I find I have to work around and, how I've changed the way I do things to accommodate the tool itself. So one of them is pre and post deployment scripts. So, you probably have run into a use case where, say you have a lookup table like, like statuses of a batch process, right? So you have things like, running, canceled, successful, and failed, let's say. And you want to get that into a database, but you might want to tweak it later, or you might want to add more to it. So I would typically choose a post-deployment script with an SSDT, and then I would use a merge statement, so that's a rerunnable code artifact. And the importance there is that it's rerunnable. That was one of the ways that I've adapted to the tool to be able to have a deployable artifact that every time it runs, I can predict the outcome. And so if you are interested in hearing more about SSDT and how to, both deal with its shortcomings as well as, get the most out of that tool, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a nice day.